11 signs you're on your phone too much. 1. Your phone is always on low battery and it's dead most of the time. 2. It's always around you. Every single minute of the day, you know where your phone is, and it's always around you. 3. All notifications on your phone are turned on, your sound is on. You basically have any random reason to go on your phone. 4. You feel bored without it. 5. This is not the first video that you watched today. 6. If you looked at yourself from a third-person view, you'd just be there, existing. 7. You look at the time, and that much time passed already. 8. You can't imagine a day without it. 9. You dream about your phone or being on it. 10. Your posture looks like you're on your phone a lot. 11. You're going to completely forget about what I said in this video, and you're just gonna watch another video after this one, and then the next one, and then another one. So try doing the opposites of these signs. Have a phone that's charged. Be fine with not having your phone right next to you. Turn notifications that you don't need off. Find other things to do. Hope you can think about this. Peace.